And now it's time for another Wellness 101. How to stop a panic attack, presented by St. Luke's University Health Network. Panic attacks are truly terrifying experiences that affect nearly 2.5 million Americans every year. Attacks happen without rhyme or reason and can cause fear and extreme anxiety for 10 minutes or more. The physical symptoms of a panic attack can sometimes make people think they're having a heart attack and can include extreme perspiration, rapid pulse rate, increased heart rate, and dizziness. No one knows what truly causes panic attacks, but researchers suspect that it may have to do with a combination of biological and environmental factors. The good news is that panic attacks are one of the most treatable anxiety disorders, and we've got the steps to help keep you calm. Step 1. Talk yourself off the ledge. When you feel an attack coming on, one of the best things you can do is kindly remind yourself that you are simply experiencing anxiety and that you're in no real danger. The use of positive affirmations works wonders here, such as, "I'm in control," "All is safe in my world right now," "I'm not dying," and "the deeper I breathe, the more relaxed I feel." Step 2. Breathe. As an attack hits, it's crucial to get your breathing under control. Short, shallow breaths can make you feel worse. So consider closing your eyes, inhale slowly through your nose, and exhale through your mouth. Try placing your hand on your belly while you breathe so you can watch your hand rise and fall. After a few minutes of this, you should feel like yourself again. Step 3. Stay in the present. When you're in a state of panic, consider giving your mind something to focus on other than fear. Try using all of your senses. What can you see, hear, taste, touch, and smell? Continue noticing new things until you start feeling better. Step 4. Progressive relaxation. Progressive relaxation can be very effective in the midst of a panic attack. Tense up one muscle group at a time for 4 to 10 seconds, then relax it. Repeat this process everywhere until your entire body is completely relaxed and you start to feel like $1,000,000. Folks, panic attacks can strike without warning. You're not alone. Lots of people suffer from them, including yours truly. But it's important not to let them control your life. Instead of avoiding places or situations where you've had panic attacks in the past, kindly remind yourself that you're safe and that nothing bad actually happened. And if and when a panic attack strikes again, with the help of the steps previously mentioned, hopefully you'll be able to regain control. We're all in this together, my friends. Drop a comment below on what works for you. Who knows, you might be able to help someone who's suffering. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share to all who are prone to panic attacks. Until next time, this is Mr. Wellness saying be well and follow the steps to a calmer you.